Welcome to another segment of Kale Yes, McKinley's very own cooking channel. And today, I'm talking to those college students who are always making pasta for lunch or for dinner, but they're not quite balancing it out like I would like to see. So I'm going to showcase to you a one-pot pasta dish, so very minimal dishes with 3 veggies in it. This pairs so nicely with a chicken breast or a pork chop or a salmon fillet. That'll balance out your whole dinner, and I'm sure this is going to be one of your favorites, just like it is mine. All right, so let's get started. The best way to prep asparagus is to take the stalk and bend it from end to end and then let it snap in half naturally. Where it breaks is where it is naturally tender. The top part will be the most tender and the bottom will be too tough to enjoy, so go ahead and throw that away. Chop asparagus into smaller bites. Add spinach to the pan. Chop all cherry tomatoes in half and then add to the pan. Chop half of an onion and add to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to the pan, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 2 handfuls of angel hair pasta. Add a half a tablespoon of salt and a half a tablespoon of pepper. Add 32 ounces of chicken stock. Cover the pan and turn the heat onto medium-high and go ahead and set that timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check on the pasta. You can go ahead and stir it a little bit. You want to make sure that the liquid has evaporated. Thank you guys so much for sticking around of another episode of Kale Yes. You have to try out this side dish recipe. It's a favorite in mine. I know it'll become a favorite in your house as well. It's great because it already has the veggies in it. It's a one-pot recipe. Just make sure you add a protein source to pair along with it. If you're struggling with anything related to food and nutrition, please come see a dietitian at the Health Education Unit in McKinley Health Center. But if you're wanting to learn some extra kitchen skills, be sure to sign up for a cooking class at Campus Recreation.